myself Timur Choksi. I am assistant professor in LGIT. Student, welcome the session number 5 of geodetic surveying. Student, in this session I have explained a topic satellite station and reduction to center, and I have explained about the baseline. So first I have explained what is a satellite station. So in order to secure well-conditional triangle or better intervisibility of the object, such as a church tops, flagpoles or towers, sometimes selected as a triangulation station. So better the intervisibility and order to secure the well-conditioned triangle, sometimes a triangulation station are used like church tops, flagpoles or towers. Now, if the instrument is impossible set up over that point, a subsidiary station known as the satellite station or false station is selected as a nearer as a possible to main station. So where not possible, set up the instrument like this type of object, church tops, flagpoles or towers. So the station or instrument are set up over a subsidiary station is selected as a nearer as a possible to main station. So this station is called as a satellite station or all station. So I will repeat this line. If the instrument is impossible to set up over that, point a subsidiary station known as the satellite station or false station is selected as a nearer as a possible to the main station. Observations are made to the other station with the same precision from the satellite station. So this is the based on indirect observation. Here I have explained with given one example. A, B and C, this is a true station. S1, S2, S3 and S4, this is a different possibility of the satellite station. Here the B station is a true station and this station is not possible to set up the instrument over that. So here we have taken some different possibility or different satellite station possibility near to the true station. Student, our main goal to have find the angle between ABC, but here you have not put the instrument over the B because these are like a church top object, flagpoles or towers. So this type of object you have not put the instrument. So this condition you have select the satellite station, but there are number of possibility to have select the satellite station. Sometimes you have select the satellite station as right side of the true station, left side of the true station, below or above the true station. So these are a possibility to have set up the satellite station or subsidiary station or false station. Now the distance between the true station to satellite station is small because you have arranged the near to the true station. So it is called as a satellite distance or false distance or subsidiary distance. Now I have taken possibility number 1. So next I have taken the A, C and B, it is a true station and S1 is left side of the, I have taken the left side of the true station. So the angle then corrected and reduced to what they would be from the true station. The operation applying this correction due to the eccentricity of the station is generally known as the reduction to center. So this type of process is called as the reduction to center. You have find the angle. Our main goal is to find the angle of ABC, but you cannot find this type of angle. So you have select the near subsidiary station near to the true station, and now you have find the angle of AS1C. So this type of reduction or this type of process is called as the reduction to center. Now I have explained the procedure of reduction to center. So first I have repeat the terms of satellite station. So satellite station is a one type of subsidiary station. It is selected as the nearer as the possible to the main station. So after the understanding the concept of satellite station, now I have explained the concept of reduction to center. So the process is called as the reduction to center. The distance between true station and satellite station is determined by the method of trigonometric leveling. So this is the satellite distance B to S1. So B is a true station, S1 is the satellite station. So the distance between true station to satellite station is the satellite distance and found by the trigonometric leveling method. I have already explained in a trigonometric leveling concept session. Here now the distance between A to C I have considered as a B. The distance between B to C is considered as a small a, and A to B I have considered as a small c. So let the eccentric distance BS1 B to D means BS1 is a D. It is called as the eccentric distance or satellite distance. Small a, small b, small c is the side BC, CA and AB respectively of the triangle. Now, this is alpha 1 angle between S1 AB, alpha 2 is an angle between BC S1. Here theta is angle between A S1 and C, and 5 angle is A, B and C. Our main goal is found the angle 5. Now, here first you know that first you have taken the triangle BAS1 because our main goal you have find the angle of 5, but here unknown angle is alpha 1 and alpha 2. So first you have taken the triangle BAS1 and using the sine rule you know that sine alpha 1 divided by D equal to D sine theta plus gamma divided by C. So you know that the sine rule is a angle divided by opposite side. So here angle is sine alpha 1 divided by opposite side is D, and sine theta plus gamma, so is opposite side is C. So sine alpha 1 equal to D sine theta plus gamma divided by C. Similar that you have taken second triangle BCS1 and try to find the sine alpha 2. So sine alpha 2 equal to D sine gamma divided by A. This equation is formed of using the sine. Now after the finding the sine alpha 1 and sine alpha 2, you know that our main goal you have find the alpha 1 and alpha 2, not a sine alpha 1 and sine alpha 2. So for a small value of D compared to the ABC, because ABC is the higher value compared to the D, because D is a satellite distance. Uh, Satellite distance is the distance between true station to the subsidiary station. So this is a small distance compared to the small a distance, small b and small c. So the angle alpha 1 and alpha 2 will be small, and we can written as the alpha 1 equal to sine alpha 1 divided by sine 1 second. So when you have written as a sine alpha 1 equal to alpha 1, so you have divide the value is sine 1 second. So alpha 1 equal to sine alpha 1 divided by sine 1 second. You know that what is the value of sine alpha 1 is a D sine theta plus gamma divided by C. So put the value of sine alpha 1 and you have calculate the value of sine 1 second in a calculator. So the answer is 206265 second. So I have multiplied the value with 206265 second. So I have directly find the alpha. So the value of 1 upon sine 1 second. So 1 upon you have 1 upon calculate the 1 upon sine 1 second in a calci. So answer is 206265 second. So D sine theta plus gamma divided by C into 206265 second. Now similar that second is a alpha 2. You have find the alpha 2. You know that sine alpha 2 divided by sine 1 second. So put the value of alpha 2 D sine gamma divided by A. So you have find the in a calculator 1 upon sine 1 second. So answer will be 206265 second. So I multiply by the value 206265 second. So final formula is alpha 2 equal to d sine gamma divided by a into 206265 second. Now after finding the alpha 1 and alpha 2, you have find the phi, because our main goal is angle between A, B and C. So now find the phi. So here I have taken the triangle AS1B. So you have find the angle of AOC for external triangle rule. So you know that I have taken the triangle AS1B. So this is a theta, this is a alpha 1. So this angle is 180 degree alpha 1 minus theta. You know that the whole angle is a 180 degree. So our main goal, you have find the AOC angle, exterior angle. So 180 minus alpha 1 minus theta minus 180. So the answer of angle of AOC is theta plus alpha 1. So you have clearly understand. First I have repeat this term. Here this angle is 180 degree minus alpha 1 minus theta. The exterior angle of AOC is 180 degree. So the 180 minus this angle, angle of AOS1. So you get the answer of AOC is theta plus alpha 1. So from the triangle OAS1 we have angle of AOC theta plus alpha 1. Similar that from the triangle OBC we have angle of AOC is 5 plus alpha 2, because here 5 plus alpha 2 is answer. Now similar to this triangle, so you get the answer of 5. So theta plus alpha 1 equal to 5 plus alpha 2, because both is the angle of AOC. So 5 is the theta plus alpha 1 minus alpha 2. So theta is found by the instrument, because theta is get up to the station set up at the subsidiary station. So theta value is get from the instrument. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 you have already find this formula. So put the value of theta in alpha 1 and alpha 2. So you have find the phi. So this is the process is called as a reduction to center. This is an indirect process. You have find the theta, and using this theta you have find the phi. So this is the concept of satellite station and reduction to center. Now second concept is a baseline. You know that the accuracy of any order of triangulation depending upon the accuracy of the measurement of its baseline. So any order of triangulation, you know that there are three types of orders. One is the primary triangulation, means first order, second order and third order. So any order of the triangulation, the accuracy is depending upon the measurement of its baseline. This is so because the accuracy of triangulation depend upon the accuracy of the side of the triangle computed from the baseline. Hence in triangulation a baseline of prime important and it must be measured very accurately. So the accuracy of the triangulation depending upon the accuracy of the baseline. So you have find the baseline accurately and precisely. The length of baseline between 1/3 and 2/3 of the average length of the side network, and it also based on the grade of the triangulation. So all the triangulation, the average length of the triangulation network is 1/3 or 2/3 is a baseline. So the length of the baseline is 1/3 or 2/3 of the average length of the side network of the triangulation. Here in India, primary triangulation are used. So here 10 baseline are used for finding the shape of the country of India and dimension of the taken from the determination of the in India. So that there are 10 baseline are used. So the 9 baseline length varying is 644 miles, means 10.30 kilometer to 12.55 kilometer, and 10th baseline was using the 1.7 miles, means 2.735 kilometer. So in India, the survey conduct between using the 10 baseline and 9. So 1 to 9 baseline length vary from 6.4 mile to 7.8 mile, and 10th baseline is used as a 1.7 mile. For a topographical triangulation, means in a third order triangulation, the length of the baseline is used 88 yards, means 80.467 meter. Now after the knowing the concept of baseline, the last topic is site selection for baseline. So the following point should be taken in consideration while selecting the baseline, because baseline is the most important point while conducting the, or baseline is the most important measurement while conducting the triangulation network, because its accuracy is required for uh, or its accuracy is required is more. Now, the different or some selecting criteria while selecting the baseline. So, first criteria is the site should be firm and level. The site should be free from all the obstruction. 2 points of the baseline is intervisible. The site should be such as that the well-conditioned triangle. The site should be such as the minimum length of the baseline, and the site should be present firm and smooth, and the cost of the clearing the ground should be minimum. So this is the criteria while selecting the baseline. First, form and level. So you have uh, first you have cutting or filling on a side. So the side should be form and level. The cost, select the side. The cost of the clearing the ground should be the minimum. 2 point of the baseline is intervisible. The side should be free from the obstruction, and you have select the comparable length. So minimum length, not use the larger length. So this is the site selection criteria for the baseline. So student, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I have explained the topic is a reduction center, means site satellite station and reduction to center, and I have explained about the baseline and site selection criteria for selecting the baseline. So thank you so much for watching this video.